What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you see behind me, we've got Jordan's truck in the shop today. We're going to be installing some Baja Designs Squadrons on this thing, so stay tuned. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so today we got my buddy Jordan's 2011 Chevy Silverado, and we're going to be putting some Baja Designs Squadrons on the A-pillar. So, what do you think about it, Jordan?
Pretty excited.
Alright, so we're going to be getting these on here and we'll walk you through it all. Alright, so diving into this, Jordan ordered these A-pillar brackets that are going to mount in right here and go up where the hinge comes out through the little cowl area. So we're gonna get these put on and catch you up with it. Alright, so right up here in the cowl area we got two 13mm bolts. Hang on to these because we're gonna be needing them for these brackets. Fish the bracket up in here. Put the bolts back in. And snug them in. Alright, like that, we got this side in. Alright, now that we got our bracket in place, we're going to take our light and mount it up. Alright, so now that we got our light mounted, I'm going to take the wire and the plug it comes with and fish it through. Alright, so we got the light mounted, and Baja Designs was kind enough to supply a harness with these lights kit, so we're going to use this to connect to the battery and tie both these lights together. Alright, so off camera I hooked the terminals up to the battery, and now I'm going to dissect these wires and figure out which one I want to run to where. Okay, so off camera I went ahead and plugged in the light just to make sure everything works, and I used the switch that they provided in the kit, and as you can see here, it works and it's very, very bright. So if anybody's looking to add some lights onto their truck, Jeep, whatever you got, these are that's pretty good, and everything's super simple with the harness, so definitely recommend these. Alright, so in addition to the Baja Designs wiring harness, we're going to be adding a Alpina wireless relay. So we have a wireless switch inside, just temporary now. He's looking to get an S-Pod here eventually when we get more lights, but for now we're just going to be using this wireless relay to kind of make it a little bit easier running the wires, so we don't have to run as many inside. So stay tuned, we'll get this thing added. Alright, so we matched everything onto this side. Got the bracket on, light mounted. We got the wires ran across the front there. They're a little temporary right now. We definitely got to fix all that whenever he gets an S-Pod. So yeah, as of right now, it's all wired up, turns on, and let's pull it outside, see how it looks. Alright guys, so you can see behind me, they're mounted, they're on, and they look awesome. What do you think, Jordan?
They're definitely bright.
They're very, very bright. And you know, as far as mounting everything, it was all super, super simple. Baja Designs puts together a great kit for these. That comes with their own wiring harness and switch and everything, just to make it painless to wire all these up. So definitely would recommend these for any off-road Jeep, truck, anything you can think of, side by side. They're great. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.